Bluey is running across the hot sand shouting, "Like and subscribe if you love the beach." Bingo laughs and chases after her. "Wait for me." The ocean sparkles under the sun. Waves crash with power. The holiday has begun. Dad sets up a huge umbrella. "All right, pups, this is our spot." Mom spreads a blanket and smiles. "Time to relax." But Bluey shakes her head. "Relax later. Adventure now." Bingo nods. "Adventure always." Bluey points towards some tall rocks at the far end of the beach. "Treasure is waiting." Bingo gasps. "A real treasure?" Bluey grins. "Of course." Dad rolls his eyes. "Here we go again." They dash over the sand. Bingo suddenly yelps, "Ow, my paws." The sand is burning hot. Bluey giggles. "Quick, dance like crabs." They both scuttle sideways until they reach the cooler rocks. A strange whistle echoes from nowhere. Bingo freezes. "Did you hear that?" Bluey tilts her head. "Maybe it's a sea spirit." They climb carefully. At the top lies a glowing shell. Bluey grabs it. The air swirls with glitter. Dolphins leap from the sea calling their names. One dolphin speaks. "Thank you for freeing our shell." Bingo squeals. "Magic dolphins." The dolphins splash them with cool spray. Dad calls from the blanket, "Don't fall in." Bluey waves. "We're safe." The dolphins twirl high and vanish, leaving only bubbles. Bluey and Bingo return with the glowing shell. Mom touches it gently. It feels alive. Dad frowns. "Better not follow us home." The shell hums softly in Bluey's paws. That evening the family sits by a beach bonfire. The shell glows brighter and lights up their faces. Bluey whispers, "It feels like the ocean is speaking." Bingo leans close. "What does it say?" Bluey closes her eyes. "It says adventures never end." The fire crackles. Suddenly sand rises and shapes itself into a giant castle. Towers grow tall. A sandy dragon waves once before crumbling back into dust. Everyone gasps, then bursts into laughter. Mom hugs them close. "This holiday is magical." Dad sighs. "And exhausting." Bluey lifts the shell proudly. "Best beach day ever." Bingo claps. "Tomorrow will be even bigger." As stars shine above, the family cuddles together. The waves sing like a lullaby. The shell glows one final time, then fades into quiet peace. And hey, if you felt the magic of this beach adventure, don't forget to like this story and subscribe for more Bluey fun. Because the next holiday might hold an even wilder surprise.